Good morning, everyone. Guess what time it is? It's nap time. It's nap time for me and for you, right? Okay, today I grabbed a book, Kisses, Cuddles, and Good Night. Right? It's a great one. And I brought my teddy bear too. So you sometimes grab your blanket and your teddy too, but I grab my teddy. Okay, it's Kisses, Cuddles, and Good Night. You see the cow? He's going to sleep too, right? 5 cuddly toys for very tired animals. It's bedtime for cat and pig and sheep and cow and chick. Right? You see them? It's getting to be their bedtime. They're getting ready for bed. Cat played all day in his favorite tree. He was climbing from branch to branch. And now he is tired and ready for bed. Look, he's playing his stuff. I bet you were doing that too, right? And now he's tired and ready for bed. He says, meow, meow, ready for bed. And Pig played in the mud all day. He splashed and romped and got very dirty. And now he's yawning and ready for bed. Look at him playing. He had a fun day. And now he's yawning and he's ready for bed. Pig says, oink, oink, I'm ready for bed. And who spent the day playing on the hill? Sheep did, right? He ran up and down and up. And now he's very sleepy and he's ready for bed too. He says, I'm ready too. What does he say? Bah, I'm ready for bed, right? Cow ate grass all day and clover. And she was so hungry. But now her tummy is really full and she is ready for bed. Right? She ate her grass all day. And now her tummy, look at her tummy, it's really full. And she says, I'm ready for bed. Night, night. Chirp chirped all day. And he even went up and down and out and about. And now he's quiet and ready for bed. Look, he was jumping around and chirping around. And look, oh, I think he's sleeping already. Shh, right? What does he say? Chirp, chirp. What a busy day all our friends had. Shh. Everyone is going to sleep. You see? Everyone's going night-night. The cat is sleeping. The pig is sleeping. The cow is sleeping. The sheep is sleeping. And look, Mr. Pig is even sleeping. So you have a good nap, okay? I'll see you later. I'm going to take my nap too. I got my teddy bear. Have a good nap.